Hi, I'm Brooke Harvey-Taylor, and 24 years ago, I decided I wanted to spend my time making things more beautiful in this world, and that's how Pacifica Beauty was born. At Pacifica, our core value is compassion for the planet, animals, and you. And this affects everything we do. We always think about our impact on the planet, which is why we use PCR, glass, or recyclable components. We are constantly working to minimize our brand footprint. And we have a cool recycling program with a closed-loop element, so come check it out. We love animals, and it's our calling to protect them, which is why, since day one, we have created products that are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and certified by PETA. Cruelty-free and vegan go hand in hand for us. We believe that clean beauty is for everyone, and that it should always be accessible. Everyone deserves the best ingredients, and for us that means adhering to our strict no list for everything we make. We believe that plants are super powerful, so we use them in everything we make, with natural ingredients always being our key focus in our formulas. Here's to our beautiful and compassionate future together.